Do you know many people are having trouble with setting up their ATEM Streaming Bridge? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Connect power. Connect the ATEM Streaming Bridge to a power source using the power adapter. Step 2. Attach Ethernet. Attach an Ethernet cable from the Streaming Bridge to your network for reliable communication. Step 3. Connect display. Connect a television to the HDMI output on the Streaming Bridge to view output video. Step 4. Check network. Ensure your ATEM Mini Pro or Extreme switcher is connected to the same network. Step 5. Start streaming. Open ATEM Software Control, select the Streaming Bridge, and press on air on the switcher to start streaming. By following these steps, your ATEM Streaming Bridge should now be set up for optimal audio and video conversion. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Blackmagic design users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.